Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to create new Google App documents just by typing in the name of the app .new into your address bar. So rather than going to, let's say, your Google Docs and then new and so on, or even your bookmark and then new, you could simply just type in one of these. So let's say doc.new will open a new Google Docs file, like so. Then sheets, just give you a couple examples here. And even your Google Calendar, so cal.new or meeting.new both do the same thing. It'll take you right to that date, and you can just fill in the information right there. Then you could even create shortcuts. Let's say we want a shortcut for Docs. So let's say you're working in Chrome and you have your bookmarks bar. You could right-click, add page, call it whatever you want. Just like that. And you can click on it, take you right there. And if you're using Edge, you could go to your favorites. You could do a new favorite here with the star. Call this like so. And then you'll have your favorites here. Then it'll eventually, change the icon once you load it there. You just need to make sure that you're logged into your Google account when you click on it. Otherwise, of course, you're going to have to log in first. So like I said, so you can see this works for Chrome and Edge. So I'll put all these in the description, and then you can either, type them in manually, copy and paste them in, or just make bookmarks, and then you'll have an easy way to open your Google Apps in a new file just like that. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.